One of the newest around, guys, 2016 Mercedes-Benz E350 V6 engine. Only been serviced by Mercedes, guys. Carfax certified, 0 accidents. This thing has been well kept and it shows. Right here on my Conover location, I'll give you a slow pan around it. Immaculate condition. Tires are 80% new. It's got the touch to lock, blind spot monitoring. Look on the inside, navigation, heated seats, backup camera, memory seats. Look how clean. Sunroof on top. Let's take a look on the inside. Look at your buttons, look at your edges. Not wore in any way. Only 89,000 pampered miles. Did I tell you, only serviced by Mercedes, and we have all the records so you can buy it with confidence. Trading Post, we do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no problem, guys. We can get you approved. Check out my website, tradingpostcars.com to apply. 2016 in the wrapper Mercedes-Benz E350. Guys, this thing's not going to last. Trading Post is family owned and operated, 45 years in the business by my family. Great people, awesome prices. You're going to love it here, and you're going to love my Mercedes E350. 828-464-0600, or again, tradingpostcars.com to apply. Get it before it's gone. You're going to love it here, and you're going to love this Mercedes. Call us today.